Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this cool wave effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump right into it. As usual, we're starting off by making our background with the rectangle tool. Fill your entire artboard and then change the color. I'm going to remove the stroke because we're not going to need that, and then Command 2 to lock our background in place. This way we won't be able to accidentally move it. Right. Grab the rectangle tool again, and we're going to make a rectangle kind of like this. We're going to fill it in with whatever color we want. It's not important for now. I'm then going to make my top of the arrow, so I'll get my pen tool for that, and I'll make a triangle on top, kind of like this. I'm going to select both of my shapes, open up the Pathfinder. You should have it over here. If you don't, you will have it under Window and Pathfinder. Anyways, you want to click on this little guy, which is the Unite. It'll merge everything into one single shape. We're going to duplicate our arrow. We're going to differentiate them. So we're going to make a small one, a big one, so on and so forth. I'm going to add a really small one here. And then I'll go with a big one, big guy. All right. When you're done, select all of them, Command G to group them all together. And what you want to do now is go ahead and open up the Symbols panel. If you don't find it here, you'll find it again under Window and Symbols. You want to click and drag your arrows into here. This way you'll create a new symbol. We'll call it arrows, and select graphic and press OK. You now have your symbol over here saved. We don't need this one anymore, so we can just delete it. Right, now we get to the fun part. Let's grab our line segment tool and create a straight line. We're going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag. Select Relative, adjust the size, the ridges per segment, and we're going to make sure that the points are smooth. I'm going to make this shorter and maybe make 4 waves and press OK. Go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel, and adjust the extrusion depth. I'm going to go with a lot, probably like 1,500, but that depends on your artboard size. And then you can change the angle of this. I'll go with something like this. You then want to go to Map Art, and you want to select the top surface, and you can do that by clicking on these arrows. The surface that is selected will be highlighted here, so should be this one or this one. Anyways, go next to symbol, you'll find this, and you're going to select your symbol. You're going to check the invisible geometry box. This way you'll be able to see your symbol, and your symbol will follow the shape of your wave. So that's really cool. You can rotate the arrows or whatever symbol you have. You can adjust the size of it, and you get this really dope effect. When you're happy with it, you press OK. OK again. And there you go, wavy arrows. You can then obviously go to Object and Expand Appearance, Object and Group. Make sure you release the clipping mask, and you ungroup again. When it's not highlighted anymore, means you've ungrouped it enough time. Now you can delete the parts around the arrows that you don't need. This way you're left with your arrows, and you can go ahead and change their color to whatever color you prefer. And then that's basically it. It's pretty cool, huh? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.